That's right, Walker had it hidden under the towel. There we go. Into the airline there, sir. Okay, no, that'll work. Okay, you done talking about me in front of my back?
This guy's got ears of a frickin' fucking spy.
You know I'm really concerned about that language. This is in the way too. There you go. Where's this go?
It goes right back to the camera cover. I need to keep those separate. Well, that makes sense.
This thing by hand like an inch.
Are they all the same size?
So far. They all look the same? One might fall off now, so hold on to it. If you whack, it might pop off.
No. Are we rolling here on camera?
Oh, you're playing with it.
Yeah, we're rolling.
You can't have music on my
Where's the
radio.
rubber mallet?
That's not rubber at all. There's a rubber one. He like to destroy your chrome.
Hang up on the hard part, yeah. Appears to be on there. Where's the missing bolt?
God damn it.
Time using the hard part finally.
Thing's on there pretty tight.
It is on there. Alright.
That's what I was thinking.
It's definitely on there. Alright. All the bolts are out.
Is there a gasket on that?
There is a gasket, but it's not much of one. But obviously this one is. This should all be fake, I think. Here is nothing in there, as I remember. But this is a new bike, so who knows what they did. There's nothing to pull on.
It's just on there tight.
It's on there. Alright, it's not much of a gasket either, that's the problem. Alright. That'll be on the wall. Look out. So this is razor sharp edge. Hit the lights on. So I've machined this down to where it's a knife edge, so it's really, really thin. So I come in there where I can't get things apart. I put it right where the gasket is nice and flush. And you pop it. Got that? And this has a steel thing all around it, so when I'm beating on it.
Looks like a putty knife.
It used to be a putty knife, but I made it more of a sharp knife. See how
It's
sharp
more
it is?
fine and
Let me shave you with this here.
Shave
Let me shave
down.
you with you.
I think this gasket is still usable.
Yeah, it might be bad on the top edge where I beat on it.
Actually, it doesn't look too bad.
Not too bad, okay. Well, it's only around the very edge, so. Okay.
I think I got a new one
So
purchased.
I didn't do any damage to the gasket when I popped it. See? Now, if you jam a screwdriver in there, what's it do? Puts big gouges in there. You lay that down on the floor with everything else. Okay. Now what do we do?
We're gonna pull this. We're gonna pull this apart.
Oh. Anybody know how to do that?
I don't know, world. How do we do this?
Alright, there's a dot there and a dot there. I'd like to get those lined up. Alright. Right here. Okay. Get them right back. Okay, ready to pull the cams out of here now. So I'm going to try to line these dots up right here. So I got the thing in high gear, so I'm going to bump the rear wheel because we don't have a kicker. Are they lined up there?
No, you're too far ahead.
Oh, jeez, I'm too far ahead. Which way you want me to go backwards?
Yep. About right there. Oh. Yep. Oh.
Your eyeballs are off. It's in line going this way. Okay, now you gotta pull that off. There you go. Oh, right in my eye. Good view. Where's your tool for getting those off? Looks like this. They make a bunch of special tools for doing this job. I have special tools too. You got a good view going on there on the back of your shoulder. What are you doing over there? Supposed to be videotaping me.
Is the rim broke?
You didn't videotape anything I just did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I did. So I just took the bolts off. I used my zip gun. And I didn't hold anything. Pretty good, huh? Big fat washer comes off. Skinny fat washer comes off. It's bleeding. Why is it bleeding?
Well, you're gonna be hot.
Oh, he happy. I got his card into it.
So we got tension on this hydraulic tensioner thing here. Keeping us from sliding just right out. There you go. See a lot of blood coming out of there for some reason. Don't lose those. That's the precision adjustment washer. So you can't see. The video guy's not videotaping very well. This controls the offset of sprocket for alignment purposes. So this is a shim washer. So you got to have that. This has a snap ring on here that you can pull this off and the cam will come off. You get that anywhere? You can either do this right now or later, doesn't matter when, but at some point this snap ring has to come out of here.
Little Patricia's like, oh, so I was like, no, you're like, before you do, I was like, no, we good. She's like, look.
You know they catch all that on camera when you're talking behind that camera, don't you?
It's just man talk.
Now this washer is the same washer, but it's a different thickness, possibly.
So front and back.
Front and back for now. This is actually a standard width here, and this is a plus one, because see how it's taller than that one. So that's slightly bigger than stock height. They vary a little bit. Okay, this thing here just comes up like that.
Does that need to be replaced?
If you dry this thing all out, you should be able to pull it down without any oil, compress and put the chain back in without anything. How many miles are on this thing?
Good 49, 50,000.
So 50,000 miles, you only got that much wear. Pretty good.
He must ride like a chick. Well, some chicks ride hard.
So, looks good. I don't even have any worn yet on the outside. I just put link hitting. Looks good to me. I would reuse it. Okay, you got to pull the oil pump off here, or you just yank the whole thing out. It's up to you. But you have to pull these bolts out here. You know how to use that tool? Pretty high tech. Ooh, you figured it out.
Oh, where's it? So we're going to take off everything? Or just the oil pump first?
Well, you don't have to pull the oil pump if you want to, but if you want to pull the oil pump, just these 4 bolts.
No, I don't. I just want to yank
It's got
the
to
whole
come
thing
off.
off.
If you want to, well, it's got to come off at some one point anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Just pull those all out. Take them all out. There you go. I don't mix them
We
up
don't
with these
mix
other
them.
ones. Yeah, I think that's a good spot going back there. They probably all look the same. Yeah. Hey. When you round it out and it doesn't turn, it rounds off everything. It screws up my socket. See, I get rounded on the tip now?
We'll be right, Tatro.
Yeah, great. See this separate? No. That's oil pump. Right there. They look the same, but just in case. Is there anything hidden on the corner down there?
Yep.
Self-ejecting, I like that. That's good. That makes it easy. Okay, don't pull that out just yet. I'm already losing the lifters. Don't pull that too far. The lifters are coming out. Okay, we're going to pull these clips out and get these covers out of here. You stole my rag. Gee.
I knew you had a solution on this rag.
Okay, see this screwdriver?
Mm-hmm.
See that pin right there?
Mm-hmm.
See how it goes down?
Mm-hmm.
And you pull the clip.
Mm.
Lorenzo didn't catch any of that because he's hidden by some black shouldered shirt guy. So you take your screwdriver and compress it a little bit. And you pull the clip out. And hopefully it doesn't go backwards like that one just did. When it goes backwards, use a screwdriver. The small one.
We just need a picking mechanism.
We need the small one. Now you don't want to just rip it out because that tears this up. So if you do it correctly, it doesn't do any damage to it. Now these screws kind of wiggle around a little bit. See how this rust here? See that rust stuff right there on the seal? Where's the CRC at? On the side? Oh, over here. Okay, if you take the little CRC, squirt like that. To wash her up, there's an O-ring in here. If you free up the O-ring a little bit, the push rod will slide up like that, and it pulls out. Get that? See? There's a washer right there on top of the O-ring. And a little squirt. You are very generous with that sealing and stuff there. He's cheaper than me on that stuff.
Yeah.
If you get like two little squirts, you got nothing but air. Okay, I'm gonna do this one back here. That comes out. Did it on purpose. Okay, lift those two up. There you go. Now you got some coming out. I think we'll push all the way down. Nice wiggling a little bit. The O-rings will slide up. They'll come out. Get the steel up out of the way. And now the rubber's free to move. Just wiggle around the rubber probably loosened up already. There you go. Pull it out as a unit. Pull it out as a unit. Don't lose all the parts. There's a bunch of parts that are just falling apart right now. There's a spring. There should be a washer and a seal there. Yeah, this. Just pull the tube down. Just fix it. Why do you get that thing blowing up so much? Jeez. Okay, so now we just steel washer. There you go. Put the whole ring back on there. Boom. Okay, so that way you don't lose anything. Put that back in there. And it doesn't matter where they go, if you mix them or not, it makes no difference. Pull the washer up a little bit. Getting the steel washer up off the top helps because it binds up on the push rod, on the cover. There, it's free right now. I can see the O-ring move, so it should pop up. There it goes. See how it stopped going up? That's because it hit the steel washer, hit it, and kept it from sliding further. Okay, those are out of the way. Where's those magnets at now? Popping the holes up there. Okay, now I gotta get a screwdriver and pick up those, pull those up on the inside. Grab that screwdriver over there. Actually, use this one right here. So let's get the lifter, needs to go back up. Are your front ones up or not? Like the tube, the magnet got the two of them. Got one drop down way in the back down there. There you go. They're both up now, right? Nope, this one dropped again. There it goes. Here, click the magnet.
The back one.
I already had it up.
It dropped.
Back in.
Damn it.
There it goes. All right.
That back one. And it fell down.
Well, just get the thing out of there. Don't worry about it. Pull them out. There you go. Those magnets ain't with a squat. Those are Harley magnets. You get oil coming out. Okay, we're gonna clean all this stuff up. We'll be back. Well, I get the oil pump filled up, all right. And this goes on out. Okay, we're gonna clean all this stuff up. We'll be back.